As we go into the new year, I've talked to friends, families, co-workers, colleagues, you name it, I've talked to them. And there seems there is something very lacking, and I want to be the solution to that. So I want to present to you a phrase to go into the new year with, to go into 2022 with. And that simple phrase is, why not you? Some of you have heard it already, because I released a Roland Vision collective that is surrounded about limited edition drops of clothing about specific messages. And the first one, the Genesis collection, was why not you? So first I want to thank everybody that went and purchased and support. Y'all, I put it out there and y'all took it out. But let's think about it. Let's dive a little bit deeper into why not you. It embodies a solution to give answers to problems that are going on in your life and then within the world. Why not you challenges yourself to be that barrier breaker to whatever is holding you back. You have dreams and you have passions, and you are honestly scared of some of it. You have some insecurities. You have a wall, a mountain of things that are withholding you. You're like, I can't do it, but why not you? If somebody hasn't done it, why can't you be that barrier breaker within your family, breaking generational curses, being that financial guru, being the healthy one, you know, whether that's in your family or in your circle of friends or just within the world. You may have a passion about something that is an issue and you have the solution within you, but you got to push back those insecurities and those things that are holding you back to do it. Why not you? If somebody else has done it, why not you? Why can't you be that next person, that next thing, create that next solution to these issues? Why not you? It's very simple. It's very simple. So as you go into 2022 and you have a doubt about something, you can take a step back and be like, why not me? As you're going through something and you have opposition, you can always say, why not you? Because why not? You can conquer it, you can do it. You can push past those issues, those self-doubts, the impossible circumstances, the lack of resources. Why not you? I want to be that encouragement, that encourager for you, that you can do it, because you very, 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 very well can. So why not you? So first thing what you need to do is go ahead and like this video so it gets it out to everybody, that people can see it. The second thing is, I want you to go into the comments right now and put your why not yous. The things that you're dreaming about, the things that you're passionate about. Third thing, and as you're going through 2022, and as things are starting to check off your why not you, and you start to make progress, I want you to come back to this video. Why? I want you to put it in there so other people can see it. I just wanted to give a simple message, a simple encouragement of why not you. And I can't wait to see what you achieve. So until next time, peace.